Angel, from the Collision Repair Education Foundation, you have been selected to receive the $5,000 grant from PPG Industries. Congratulations. I thank the Collision Repair Education Foundation and the PPG Foundation for awarding Angel Sosa the $5,000 scholarship. I think that's going to help him out greatly, and I sure appreciate the support we get from the industry to help these students get through school and get into a good career. Most of the time on these scholarships, they do have a big impact on the students. Some of them barely have enough money for gas to come to school. They're hurting financially, so that can help them out. And it also helps, sometimes we have tool scholarships, and they're very valuable because our employers are starting to pay a little bit more as far as a starting wage if a student has tools coming out of school. So without the scholarship, without the tools, they earn less as a starting wage.